Hey guys, morning. So I slept at about what 12:20, and I thought I'll get up at 8:45, but I got up very early. I got up at about 5:15, so that's about 5 hours. But I'll sleep later in the day. But since I was up in the morning, I thought I'll go for a run. So I'm in this park. It's called Biodiversity Park, Chaudhary Devilal, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go for a run now. See you in a bit. Hey guys, I've been running around since morning today. I went to the dentist. I still have some sensation in one of my upper tooth and one lower tooth. There's a sensation. They've applied some bond. मुंह खोलो, मुंह बड़ा खोलो, मुंह बड़ा खोलो. Very dentist. Anyway, so I got that done. After that, I went to Vans and Factory Outlet. My sister bought me some shirts which I had to replace, and I bought some funky stuff. Now I'm going back home and I'll rest for a bit. Sham ko I have a show. I have two spots, one at Kutru, one at Comedy Theatre. Before that I'll hit the gym. I'm doing lower body and hopefully I'll do one session which is a full body session. Yeah, that's the plan for the day. Let's see how it goes. Plan बना लेते हैं हम, कई बार होता नहीं, बाद में हमारे दिमाग माइंड चेंज होता है because we have no free will. There's a system of nature that's operating our minds, and whatever the fuck is supposed to happen happens. Stuff just happens. We're not doing shit. Hey guys, just got back from the gym now. I almost hit a guy because I was talking on the phone, and there's a biker. He came right in front of me, and he's like, "Sir, मुझसे कुछ गलती तो नहीं होगी?" And it was my mistake. Somehow I didn't notice him, and I noticed him when he stopped. I stopped, and I almost hit him, man. And he's like, "मेरे बच्चे हैं, बाल बच्चे हैं." और मैंने कहा I'm sorry यार. कह रहा, मैंने कहा फ़ोन पे था, पता नहीं चला. कह रहा आपके फ़ोन के चक्कर में मैं लपेट जाता. Damn, thank God yeah, I didn't hit him. I mean, I shouldn't talk on phone. Even like mostly I talk on Bluetooth. I never use my phone like most people do, like holding the phone in their hands. They're fucking idiots. Like most of the time I'm focused even if I'm talking, but somehow there was something on the right side window, driver side window, and somebody had like put some poster or something, and because of that I didn't notice. And I almost hit him. I've totally exhausted myself today in terms of workout. In the morning, because my sleep cracked, I went for a run, so that was how the workout started. So that was in the morning, about 40 minutes I ran. Then I had two strength sessions. I had legs, lower body mostly, and I did burn. Burn is mostly a full body burn session. Although I'm trying to fix my diet, but it's a slow burn. I'm on it, but it's a slow burn. So I gotta focus on workouts as much as I possibly can, do within the energy that I have. There's other shit I did today which I can't talk about on the vlog because it's public. There's some stuff we do that we're proud of. There's some stuff that we do that we're not proud of. I guess that's true of my life as well. Although I need to get rid of the stuff that I'm not proud of. So yeah, let's see the show's happening tonight. It's at 9:30. I'll go tonight. I took a break yesterday. I'll go tonight, and let's see if that's happening. Then I have a spot at another comedy club at 10:30. So 9:30 and 10:30, two shows. Let's see how they go. Yeah. Do I have anything else to say right now? I went to the dentist also, and he was kind to me. He didn't charge me anything. It was a general checkup because I have some sensation in my backside tooth, upper and lower both. So he checked it. He said like use this toothpaste and tell me in like 10 days if it's getting solved. Otherwise, if it doesn't get solved, what else do they have? They have RCT. Like अगर आप dentist के पास जाओ with a pain in your stomach also, वो आपके पेट में भी RCT कर देंगे, वो आपकी नाक में भी RCT कर देंगे. That's the solution they have for everything. RCT करा लो. Damn it. I hope RCT ना करनी पड़े. It's really painful. और मैं 2-3 दांतों में already RCT हो चुकी है, तो मैं और कराना नहीं चाहता. So भगवान से pray करो कि मुझे RCT ना करानी पड़े एक और दांत में. Alright. I'll see you guys later. Okay, I've come for the show now. The show is at 9:30 and there are 9 tickets, so the show's on. The thing is, I need to pay attention to my body language. We get tense for no reason, right? If I do like this, it's just stupid. I think we just do it by default. We frown by default. I don't want to frown. Life is a fucking bonus. I shouldn't be alive. I should be dead like 10 times by now. I shouldn't be alive. Life is a fucking bonus. So I had a really good spot at Guftagoo today. The audience was pretty suppressed, depressed. But I pretty opened them up. I cracked them up. The spot went good, and I'm pretty happy with it. Because in a dead audience, otherwise, in a good audience, it's kind of easier to make them laugh. But a dead audience is harder. And I did some crowd work. I did some jokes. I tried here and there, but I was thinking some other joke. But I did something else because I really wanted to make them laugh. Because that's the whole point, right? Because when they laugh, that's the whole fucking point. It's like you cracking an egg, which is very hard to break. So I'm happy with the spot. Hey guys, the day review. This is 28th of April, 26, and I had 2 excellent spots at one at Guftagoo, one at Comedy Theatre. They're like Guftagoo had about 15-20 people in the audience, and it was a hard audience, but I did well. Then now at Comedy Theatre there were 5 people in the audience. There were 3 girls, 1 group, and there was a couple, so 4 girls, 1 guy. And I did a joke called Come For Me, which I've been doing for a while now, and I just need to probably expand. The joke is killing, crazy. So that went really well. That was a new joke relatively, besides other jokes I did at which went well as well. But this was the new joke that really killed. And they were really shy at laughing at the joke, and because the joke is actually aimed at girls, and so it's great that girls laugh, right? So I'm happy. I had a great workout day today, running in the morning, then 2 sessions of strength in the evening. Besides, I did some errands during the day, dentist, got some clothes replaced, whatever errands. So overall the day was productive and good. May I say happy.